Earth has died 5 times, not in a metaphorical sense, but literally. 5 moments in our planet's history when 75 to 95% of all life on Earth vanished in a geological blink, and every single time the planet rebooted. These are the 5 mass extinctions and the mind-blowing forces that caused them. First up, the Ordovician Extinction, 440 million years ago. This was the first great DOF. Almost 85% of all species simply disappeared. The cause was a sudden and brutal ice age. Massive glaciation locked up the world's water, causing sea levels to drop catastrophically. Imagine the oceans shrinking so fast that entire marine ecosystems were left stranded on dry land. Life had barely begun to truly flourish, and Earth just hit the reset button. Next, the Devonian Extinction, 375 million years ago. This period was known as the Age of Fish, right up until most of them died. This extinction wasn't a single event. It was a slow, agonizing 20 million year death spiral. The likely culprit was a series of massive climate shifts that caused oxygen levels in the oceans to collapse, possibly accelerated by asteroid impacts. Up to 75% of all species vanished. Entire coral reef systems gone forever. Then we have the Permian Extinction, 252 million years ago. This is, without a doubt, the worst extinction event in Earth's history. Scientists call it the Great Dying, and for good reason. A staggering 96% of all marine life and 70% of land species were wiped out. The cause was apocalyptic. Volcanic eruptions in Siberia raged for 1 million years, pumping the atmosphere full of CO, methane, and turning the oceans into a toxic acidic soup. This is the closest our planet has ever come to becoming a completely dead world. Fast forward to the Triassic-Jurassic extinction, 201 million years ago. Just before the dinosaurs began their long reign, something had to clear the stage for them. This event wiped out about 80% of species. Again, the likely causes were massive volcanic eruptions, runaway climate change, and the continents themselves being torn apart. And who were the lucky survivors? The early dinosaurs, who suddenly had an entire planet all to themselves. Finally, the one everyone knows, the Cretaceous extinction, 66 million years ago. A 6-mile-wide asteroid slammed into what is now Mexico, releasing the energy of 10 billion nuclear bombs. It triggered global firestorms, plunged the world into years of darkness, and collapsed food chains everywhere. This was the end of the dinosaurs, except for their avian descendants, the birds. We've confirmed this event with the Chicxulub crater. But here's a twist. Massive volcanic eruptions in India were already stressing the planet. The asteroid was the final devastating blow. Each extinction destroyed life, but it also reshaped it in incredible ways. Without these 5 planetary catastrophes, we humans would not exist. Earth isn't fragile, it's just wildly unpredictable and the real mystery. Some scientists believe we might be living through the beginning of a 6th mass extinction right now. Thanks for watching. If you want more cosmic, creepy, and mind-bending science, make sure you subscribe.